Hello guys! Gagawa tayo ng apple and carrot cake with coconut flan. Tara, samahan niyo ako. I'll show you how. Here are my ingredients. In a large bowl, beat the eggs, oil, and sugar until smooth. Next, combine the baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt with the flour and mix. Gradually add egg to the mixture until combined. Stir in the diced and shredded apple together with the carrots and set aside. Next, let's make our flan. Here are the ingredients. Let's bring the sugar and 1/2 cup water to a boil, swirling the pan until the syrup turns golden brown, about 10 minutes. Carefully pour the hot caramel into 4 8-ounce ramekins and set aside to cool. In a big glass container, mix eggs, evaporated milk, condensed milk, coconut milk, and vanilla. You can always pass it through a sieve to ensure no small particles get into your flan. Let's divide the egg mixture evenly among ramekins and slowly add the apple and carrot batter. Do the same procedure with the rest of the ramekins. Let's place ramekins in a shallow baking dish. Pour in enough hot water to come halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake for 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And here our apple and carrot cake flan. Let it cool for about 30 minutes. And now it's verdict time. Let's see the outcome. Don't they look good? Now here is the other one. It tastes so good, and the apple and carrots are perfect with the coconut flan. Hope you guys try it and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video and loving the recipe, please be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. This is a great help, and please hit the like with notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Thank you guys. God bless.